Today, December 30, 2025, Rizal Day here in Nice, France. Today, I am very grateful for the grace to be able to offer my Rizal Day 2025 with the Côte d'Azur Knights of Rizal and Ladies of Rizal, where together with them, I offer them to God's merciful love for the grace and blessing to be able to continue what Rizal has written, Mi Ultimo Adios, or the Last Covenant, with God, country, and compatriots, Noli Me Tangere and El Pulevis Turismo. Here in this St. Bartholomew Church, I offer the sacred text of Dr. Jose Rizal, Mi Ultimo Adios, or my last covenant with God, country, and compatriots, and Noli Me Tangere, Touch Me Not, and El Pulevis Turismo, or the rebel, or the reign of greed. And also I offer today here the statue of Saint Pope John Paul II, so that in the same way that our beloved national hero, Dr. The national global hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, the Rizal Day 2025 here in Côte d'Azur at Beausoleil in Rizal Hall, entrusted to the Knights and Ladies of Rizal by Mayor Sir Gerard Espinel, and with a very sacred prophetic program prepared by Sir Romel Sibalistoy with the other Knights and Ladies of Rizal. I know that the graces and blessings will be given, especially, oh my dear Lord Jesus Christ, as we prepare for the new year, 2026. Bless me, O Saint Pope John Paul II. You want me to go to Poland, Krakow, the Divine Mercy Sanctuary, and your Saint John Paul II Center, so that you will be proclaimed as the interfaith Saint Pope John Paul II for the Philippines, for the world.